How to use the tuner tool in Artbreeder. To get started, simply select the tuner tool on your user-friendly dashboard. Once there, you're given a plethora of options to choose from to customize your experience. Firstly, there is a My Image option, which enables you to select an image from the collection you've personally generated. Also, there is a Community Images category. This option lets you choose from a broad selection of images created by our community of users. It's a wonderful way to get inspired by others' creativity. Next up, we have the Character Presets feature. This option allows you to start with a preset by simply choosing various attributes such as age, skin tone, and gender. You even get the choice of being an elf or a human. Isn't that fun? You can select between concept art, photograph, or painting as well, and choose whether you want a portrait or full body shot. In addition, there's the prompt function. This function lets you add and materialize your own idea through intuitive prompt. Lastly, we have the upload function. This option lets you upload your own image from your device, providing yet another way to truly make your experience unique. Once you're done with one of these options, we head over to the exciting part, essentially the crux of the customization process: editing your image. You simply need to drag the sliders for each option that's present on the left side of the screen. You have a wide array of options to experiment with, each with its unique impact on the final rendering. When you're completely satisfied with the editing, simply click on Generate to make changes and witness your personalized dream character come to life. Remember, the possibilities are endless, and your creative genius is the limit.